things you can do is adjust the concentration and your dosage rate to compensate for loss that you're going to have. This is actually one of our year-round treatment facilities, and we're treating inbound bags of corn or beans. And the facility holds temperature all right, holds gas all right, and phosphine was the only thing that was approved. But it gives us an advantage because you have, based on temperature, 12 to 18, 24 hours of gas that's being generated. And a very liberal label, so you can go from 2 to like 800 pellets on an application. Another thing you can do is stair-step the application if you're using cylinderized. So if you know from history, you've asked the right questions, made the checklist, that a facility is leaky, you don't have to put that full initial dose from the Fumigate or from your calculator into the facility. You can run it up 50% or 75%, give it the opportunity to penetrate the commodity, add the next 25%, see where you're at, you extend that time of exposure, you extend the concentration, and if you need to add, you're in a lot better position as you go forward. Slow bleed or intravenous application. EcoFume, this is not a fun thing to do, but ProFume, it's all right, and also with VaporFoss, you can dial back how many grams per minute that you put in, and slowly put it into the facility. Now EcoFume, for the people that sat down first, is 2% phosphine, 98% carbon dioxide. A lot of pressure there, a lot of opportunity for ice out. So you do get some popping. It has to do with the tip, and it also has to do, you can jump a full cylinder into a cascade of empty cylinders, so you lower the pressure as it goes into the facility. So it's going in as a gas instead of a liquid. So those of us that have found out the hard way that it takes hours if you do that, you can also use it to your advantage. Make the dose, put one of those on there, go back to the hotel, take a 4-hour nap, come back, get your reading. It'll still be adding slowly to the fumigation. Time release fumigation. We talked about pellets, tablets, magnesium phosphide to supplement it. Better sealing practices. Ideally, if the trucks weren't there, we'd throw a big tarp over it, do a tarp fumigation, and not really worry about it. Reduce our gas concentration significantly and our dosage rate. Yeah, all right, and then remove it and put it in a chamber or a truck trailer. All right, so the one take-home message that I wanted you to have is sealing is the single biggest impact economically, safety, efficacy, and for effectiveness when it comes to fumigation. I appreciate all y'all's time. It was great talking to you all, and I appreciate it.